Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps. So as I said, let's open the browser, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here I would say we've got some basic options, so we can remove history, tabs and cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range here and choose, for example, last 7 weeks or all time. However, if you want to remove advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got those advanced options. So this is the basic section which was shown in the previous step, and here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. As you can see, I will remove everything. We can also change the time range to, as I said, last hour, 7 days, or all time. I'll choose all time and tap on delete data. Tap on delete. And we just successfully did it. Of course, if you want to check it, you can enter the history here, and as you can see, it is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.